Let's say I write a tweet. How do I write a tweet? How should I write a tweet? And tell me a secret or something that people don't do that they should do on a tweet so it works. 9 Instagram accounts. She has got Twitter accounts.
39.
39 Twitter accounts. Oh my God, really?
Yes.
Holy crap, tweet this out.
Oh, are we still recording? I thought you just stopped.
No, we're recording. That's going to be on now. I'm going to leave it on. So there you go. You just learned the secret. Hey, my name is Paul. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here and you want to grow as an entrepreneur, increase your sales and succeed in life and business, start now by subscribing down below. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Today, I am talking to Kat, aka Blockchain Girl, aka Greek Travel.
Traveling Greek.
Traveling Greek,
Yeah.
right? And she is a social media master. She knows how to use social media to tweet, especially Twitter, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and get your project out there and get your company out there. So thank you so much for doing this. I really appreciate it.
Great to be here.
So let me ask you something. How did you actually get into social media? And we're going to talk about how you can use social media marketing for you in just a second. But how did you get into it? How did you end up being Blockchain Girl?
You know, I was broke. I had no money.
As we all.
Honestly, when you have no money, you have to figure out how to do things, and you can't afford to hire anyone, so you have to do it yourself. You have to know how to do every single thing yourself. So
Right.
I literally had to learn, and somehow I thought that Twitter would be really, really important, and everybody laughed at me. Everybody thought I was crazy, and I just persisted, and here we are. It's many years later, and it was kind of a losing proposition for a while, but now it's great.
And you have quite a following. She has an Instagram account. She has 5 of them?
9.
9 Instagram accounts. She has got Twitter accounts.
39.
39 Twitter accounts. Oh my God, really?
Yes.
Holy crap, tweet this out.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
I do.
And so tell me, what's the first thing people need to focus? Tell me 3 things people need to focus on social media if they want to build a channel, to build Twitter, to build Instagram.
Yeah. You have to know your audience. So it's really important to know who it is that you're marketing to. You want to know, so you have to do a little bit of research. You have to know what it is that they want to see, what it is that they want to hear, and you have to be on the same page with them. So that's number 1, know your audience. Number 2, authenticity. You have to be real. If you're not real, if what you're saying is a bunch of bullshit, then they literally are not going to want to hear from you. And they're going to know, because authenticity is everything. And the third thing is have good content. You know, you're better off having one good piece of content than you are having 10 pieces of crap. You know, it's just the way it is. Have one thing that resonates with your audience, and that'll take you a long way.
So know your audience, have authenticity, and
good content.
And good
Content's
content.
everything. Yeah.
Not like this, really good content.
Really good content.
Right?
Really good.
Not like my channel.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so what are you doing right now? What are you doing right now that could help our viewers? What would you advise them? So you already gave 3 pieces of things to start a company, to start, 3 most important factors.
Right.
What should they focus on?
Networking is really important. You have to network, and when you network, you get the contacts that you need in order to move your business forward. So that's what I do a lot of. I spend a lot of time at conferences. I spend a lot of time talking to people, whether it be on Twitter, LinkedIn. It has been huge for me. But I can't manage all of the contacts I have on LinkedIn because I've got 16,000 or some crazy number. But I don't know who's who for the most part, except if I personally know them. So I'm working on a project that is handling that whole,
And that's coming soon. We're going to do a video about this.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So let's do this. This is going to be interesting. Okay. No one does this, by the way. You guys ready? You ready?
What?
You're always ready.
All right.
Let's say I write a tweet. How do I write a tweet? How should I write a tweet? And tell me a secret or something that people don't do that they should do on a tweet so it works.
Okay, so you have 280 characters with a tweet. It's real simple. It's about 4 lines, maybe 5. You want to save 23 characters for a link. You want to link back to something. That's going to be your call to action at the end. So that's really, really important. But you need to have 4 lines that are interesting. So whatever it is that you're trying to sell, like you do marketing for blockchain and you do sales. So literally everything that you put out there is something about that. But that last link should be back to your website or your YouTube channel. How can they get back to you? And then one secret that people never do that I feel is the most important thing, at the bottom, after you're done with your 280 characters, you can tag up to 10 people. Tag thought leaders, but you really have to build out a network first before you start randomly tagging and spamming people. You have to have a network of people that are like-minded and that do what you do. So I could tag you because we're both in marketing, right? So I would feel comfortable doing that, and we're friends. But I might not feel comfortable doing it to some stranger, to Grant Cardone, for instance. He would think I was insane and he would ignore me and probably block me for being a spammer. But yeah, so you can tag up to 10 people. So use that. Start tagging, your people that are doing what you're doing, thought leaders in your industry. It's really important. If they're your friends and they know what you're doing, you might want to let them know. But also add a photo to every single thing you do. Don't put a tweet out there without a photo because you're wasting your time. You literally are asking for people not to look at your tweet if it doesn't have a photo.
Right. And by the way, you can at me, MC Paul D. I'll put it right here on the screen. And also they could tag you in a post or at you.
Yeah. At Blockchain Girl with 2 L's because there is at Blockchain Girl because there's 2 L's. And you can tag me. If you have a question, if you want to know something, if you just want somebody to look at your tweet, send it to me. Tag me.
Well, she'll give you free advice, and I'll give you free sales.
Well, I don't know how free it's going to be. It might be free the first time.
What about Instagram? What about the same thing for Instagram?
Instagram, you're dealing with a whole different animal because they have an algorithm, just like Facebook, because it's owned by Facebook, that is naturally working against you.
Right.
So you have to have really great hashtags, and you can have up to 30. You need to use all 30. You need to do some research. You don't want to pick the one that has 200 million posts because it goes in order. So people are not going to see your post. You want to pick something that has maybe 500,000 views, a million, couple million. You've got a better chance. And again, you can tag up to 20 accounts. So tag some thought leaders in your industry and let them know what it is you're doing. And if it resonates with them, because it can't just be spam, it has to resonate with them.
Right.
If it resonates with them, they most of the time they'll at least comment or share.
Okay, and one last question. What is the question and people should be asking you so you can help them but seldom do? What is that one question people should ask you?
Wow. They should be asking me how to get customers. And I would say to them, tap into your network.
Tap into your network. Okay, and how will they do that?
That's a secret. Well, it's not exactly a secret, but it'll come out in another video.
Okay.
But
so what I'll do is I'll tag under this video. I'll leave a description. In the description, I'll leave a link to what we're working on.
Yeah, Tap Your Network.
TapYourNetwork.com.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, are we still recording? I thought you just stopped.
No, we're recording. That's going to be on now. I'm going to leave it on. So there you go. You just learned the secret. TapYourNetwork.com. Go there. If the site's not ready, it will be. And that's going to help you really get out there. And yeah, we accidentally revealed the secret.
Yes.
And I'm going to leave it in because it's my YouTube channel. It's really good for me. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Do you want to add something?
No, thank you for having me. It was amazing.
Okay, thank you, and I'll see you next time. And until next time, as always, subscribe down below and keep succeeding.